Oh, intense. I'm so glad I made it here. Everybody's coming to this open house. You guys better hurry. I'm in Covington today at a very special open house with real estate agent Ashley Nybo. In fact, I've spent a lot of time at this house and also in this neighborhood, so I can tell you this is a great place to live. This is actually my sister Bethany's house. This lovely home has room for everybody with 4 bedroom, 2.5 baths, 2,330 square feet. This flat backyard is fully fenced and also has AstroTurf. So no mowing the lawn back there. Please feel free to stop by and say hi. Do you want to see the house? My sister's house? Let's go!